Okay, so this one we are going to do everyone's favorite thing and take our eBay manifold, which is the greatest thing ever, and we're gonna just take a Sawzall to it and make it great again. That's pretty much, because basically we're gonna make a top mount for this 4G63. So let's do that and hurt some feelings. Well, I'm sure I'm going to get some shit for that, but we are going to weld stainless with a Harbor Freight Fluxcore. This is so going to be in the way. This? Yeah, we're going to need a different location. No?
It's in the way of this.
Nice. Alright, well, pop the fucking power steering off. Hopefully you don't gotta pull the whole bracket. Or is that bracket not?
This thing.
Okay.
This is the problem.
Yeah, it looks like it's bolted on.
Yeah. I gotta take out the power steering to get to it. Dang it!
Gotcha.
Freezing. Everything's freezing.
I know, it's fucking cold as fuck in here. God damn it, Paul.
They happen when we make custom things. They don't work. I gotta do extra work. Guess I'll go the right way.
Hey, man.
Well, stop it. Stop doing that.
I did a full send. Well, the good news is you just saved yourself a bunch of money on AN line.
No more power steering.
Yep, now we're probably going to have to do some sort of conversion. Or we have to make a bracket for that side of the motor, which would be ideal. Because then you're way closer.
Right,
so maybe we'll have to just look into that. Not give up on it just yet.
not giving up on you yet, power steering.
There's still hope.
Yeah, take these stupid bolts out.
Oh, fuck, it's so cold. This is ignorant. Nope. You've got to be fucking me.
It would have to be... There's no way it would fit then. So we get an extension.
What is it? Is it on the exhaust housing that's hitting?
Not even close.
It's that housing?
Yeah.
Why can't it go on like that? Why do they do this?
Well, that really sucks.
Yep.
Dang it!
Means we got cut. Can't really go that much more.
You have to like weld some. Could we go out farther? Like weld some pipe onto this first? Like.
Do you want me to actually kill you?
What? Do you want this to work? Because we need to make this go on that with that. Here, hold this back up there again. Let's see how far it needs to be before it would fit. Maybe like...
Hold it. Oh my god. It's got to be angled.
What, like this? That's so much angle.
I wonder if
Like
we can...
30 more degrees.
You think it'd probably be easier for us to just fucking cut this flange off and weld a pipe to that
What, extend it?
and like get it to like this direction.
That sounds like it would suck too.
Better than welding 4 fucking pipes 8 times.
You like welding or not?
Oh yeah, I love it. I'd rather weld twice. And I already have a flange. So all you gotta do is cut that flange off. Let's go full weld those.
It's cold.
Alright, well, this is going to be it for today. We ran out of welding wire, and then the fucking turbo still doesn't fit, so what we're going to end up having to do is do a 45 off of here. I have another flange just laying around, and we'll have to angle it of sorts. So, we'll angle that. And the welds look like dog shit, but hey, you can always clean that shit up. And I mean, that's a spot where I burned a hole through it because I was trying to do it on high to, you know, get it hot. But what I'm going to do is weld on cold all the way around, and then I'll go back and go with high heat and just get it all. So, all right, but that's going to be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.